Jungmun Beach in Korea is a great destination for those who love the sea and want to enjoy the beautiful natural space. Located on Jeju Island, Jungmun is one of Korea's most beautiful and famous beaches, attracting thousands of visitors every year. Jungmun Beach is located in the south of Jeju Island, a famous island located in the south of the Korean peninsula and part of South Korea. With its impressive geographical location, this beach is located near Jeju Island's main tourism development area, making it a destination that attracts thousands of visitors each year. With a temperate climate, especially a continental climate influenced by the sea, Jungmun Beach often enjoys cool summers and warm winters. Pleasant summers, with average temperatures between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius, are the ideal time to enjoy outdoor activities on the coast. People in Jungmun are often described as friendly and hospitable, reflecting Korea's diverse cultural identity. The coral reef at Jungmun is one of the famous spots of this sea. This is an extremely diverse and rich ecosystem, home to hundreds of species of coral, fish, and other marine life. Each coral has a unique color, creating a beautiful and magical undersea landscape. With sexy bikinis, they radiate charm and vitality, attracting the eyes of people passing by. Walking gently on the white sand, these girls create streaks of highlights in the vast blue sea scene. Jungmun Beach is not only a famous tourist destination in Korea but also a major source of attraction for this country's tourism industry. The influence of this beach on the economy and culture of Korea is significant. However, increased tourism also poses challenges in terms of environmental protection and sustainable tourism management. To ensure that Jungmun Beach retains its beauty and value in the future, environmental conservation and sustainable tourism management are extremely important. For us, sharing special travel experiences and unique perspectives is a great joy. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos and join us on our journey to discover the beauty and magic of the world around us. Click the register button now to experience exciting adventures with wandering.